Good morning, friends. So today I figure out how to get insurance for my moto and how to get the license plate, as those are things I haven't done. I do have 30 days. I'm about at the halfway point since getting the bike. So I do have to go to two different places to my understanding. I have to go to one of the banks that's actually near the mall where I did get the bike. They have the Elektra store, and it has a bank, and the banks actually do the insurance, Banco Azteca. And then I have to figure out how to get the license plate. I believe it's another building, and then you have to buy a plate and apparently some government issued card for the bike itself as well. So I'm not 100% sure. I talked to some people with the bike. It's a little different than I'm used to, so I'll figure that out later today. So join me on this journey and let's figure this out together. All right, so I made it to the mall. I just went past the Elektra store for now because when I was going to the office by our place, they couldn't print off my paperwork that I need for the Elektra, so I actually need the CFE bill, which has the address, but there should be a print shop in the mall here somewhere. So I'll go there first and then hit up Elektra after. All right, I'm back at the Elektra shop. I got my paperwork, what I need. So let's see what this process is gonna be like. Well, I just got brought upstairs. They got a bank upstairs here. There's a little confusion, so let's see what's up. All right, so I'm just waiting in line. I got my paperwork, everything done with the computer, but now I gotta go on a different line here and then pay for it, and we're good to go. It's not so bad. Quoted what, 4,500 pesos for the year, so it's pretty awesome. All right, so I had to come back outside. They only accept cash. Luckily, obviously the bank's down here, so I'm gonna go to the ATM and pull some money out. All right, guys, so I'm home. Just want to do a little breakdown of the day. So I did go to Elektra by Plaza Las Americas at first. Went there, started talking to the people there, getting the paperwork ready. So the paperwork that you do need are, so since I bought my moto at Chedrui, they give you all the paperwork as the factor information, the model, just a bunch of paperwork. When you do go buy your moto, you'll see it's a little bit of an effort and time, as you've seen in my other video. So you need that. And then I printed the CFE bill, which is to prove your address. So it's important to have many copies of that because it's very useful for a lot of things you do here: opening bank account, getting license, getting the insurances, and all sorts of different stuff. So you want to make sure you have that. And let's see, what am I missing here? One thing, as you've seen previously, make sure you have cash. So I didn't know they don't accept cards, so I had to go and pull out money from an ATM. Now I have to pull money, and you get, I got charged a surcharge. Kind of sucked, but that's why I'm letting you guys know. Make sure you have cash on hand for that. It was decently priced, so for the whole year it was about 4,500 pesos, which is like $370 for the whole year. So I'm covered for that, and every time I talk to them, you kind of have to just come in person and do it. There's no like automatic thing you can do online, so it's kind of cool. You come in, do a person. I did try to talk to them because Banco Azteca, they also hold a lot of silver, and I've been going to a lot of banks about buying their silver coins. And again, even this location didn't have any, but at least they did admit that they usually do carry it. They're just out, so give them a couple weeks and maybe come back and try again. So hopefully I can make a video about that because that's something I've been wanting to get for a long time. I do like collecting my silvers, but I don't have any from Mexico here just yet. Anyways, thanks for checking out this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Love y'all, champ. All right, guys, it's the next day. I'm about to head out. So today I got to get my license plate. So it's in a different location, actually not too far from Plaza Las Americas. So I'm heading there before they close, and it hits the weekend. So come and join me on day 2 of getting all this stuff done for my bike. All right, made it to the office here, and now we wait. And then I get to the counter. It's where we'll talk business, get that license plate. All right, so I just made it through the first step here. They got all the paperwork they needed. So I just gathered everything that I was given when I bought the bike at Chedrui. They went through the stuff they needed, and they did, in fact, photocopy certain things.
that I also didn't have copies of, but it's good they had it. So always have some pesos on you, because I did have to pay a little bit for that. So always have a little bit of peso on you. Anyways, it's a good general advice to have. You know, a lot of the washrooms here you have to pay for if you need to make a copy like that. So it's good to have some change on you at all times. But now I got my number, so now I'm just waiting to be called to the cash register here. I officially have the plate, and they also give you a card that expires every 2 years. So instead of you know, having to deal with a new plate or anything like that, you just have to renew the card that they give you. So that's it. I got everything I needed for my moto. I got the insurance, and I got the plate. So now I'm totally official. So that's one less headache off my mind now.